I miss you so much. Oh my god. Never leave me like that again, please.
No. Oh my god, Sylvey, what are we gonna do when we meet in person? No! Oh my god.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. Sorry.
We're gonna be so excited, Cherry. We're gonna
Wait, what? What do you wanna?
Well, just the sleeping plans.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah.
We have to do
Like a sleepover.
yeah with mask and
Yeah.
clean our no wait, maybe not.
Not the nails, because I already got my nails done. But with masks and
movies or something.
movies and chisme
Y comida.
y comida,
Ice cream.
ice cream, and
And a cat.
a cat. A cat? What do you mean? We're gonna rent a cat? Like,
Yeah.
does anyone have? Does anyone who lives in? Do any of them have cats?
I don't think so. I
Okay, good. We can just make them get one.
Yeah, I was told that there was like a park near. Like,
Oh yeah, the park.
yeah, that has a lot of cats.
Yeah.
Steal one.
Yeah, we can just borrow it. We don't have to even steal it because we can give it back after.
Yeah, but that will be so sad.
You know, it'd be terrible. We'd have to steal it.
Yeah.
Get too attached.
Yeah.
We can get one for each of them, and then everyone will have a cat.
What? They don't.
Oh,
have...
we can give Daarick a cat for his birthday.
Oh my god.
That's actually a terrible gift if someone does not want a cat.
Yeah. Imagine. Maybe he's allergic to that.
I don't know, but if you don't have I feel like a pet, like you gotta get that yourself. Unless, well, we will never know if he doesn't like it until he tries.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Fuck it. Chat, don't leak. Yeah.
They're gonna be late, I think, because they're always late. I think they're gonna be late, a little bit late.
Yeah.
I saw Daarick wanted to play, what was it? Streamer or something. Simulator. Something like that. Streamer simulator.
Have you played Godzilla's Fortnite? Ha ha ha.
What? No.
Wanna do like a cooking stream?
Yeah. Of course.
What should we cook? Like Peruvian food?
We, I don't know. I guess we can, I guess when we get there, we can decide what would be best with the ingredients at hand. Oh, maybe we can do like a dessert.
It's like,
A dessert for our slumber party.
Oh my god, yes.
That's a good idea. Thank you, Pake, for the sub. Like something cute, like cookies or brownies or something.
Yeah, cupcakes.
Yeah. I don't know.
I wanna cook everyone something for helping me with the plane ticket.
Something like what?
Maybe also like something sweet, cupcakes or I don't know, something like that.
That's cute. Cherry cupcakes
Oh my god, yeah!
with little cherries on top.
Yes! They're gonna eat me.
Whoa.
Seriously, wait.
Nothing.
Oh my god.
Okay, we're two guests, so let's go. One more.
Okay. Go. I'm ready. What? The Spanish?
I know, I was trying to trick you.
What the fuck?
Oh,
What the fuck?
Jesus Christ. 2 rounds.
Okay. No more hands. I pause. I can't.
No.
I'm.
Hija su puta madre. Wait, what's this language?
Huevón, este es Inception. What the fuck? ¡Qué mierda! Estoy fuera de línea. No, what? Inception. Stream actual.
Juega que Western desde aquí, mano.
Carlos Carlsen, bienvenido, mano. Muchas gracias por tu sub. What the fuck, weón. ¿No puedo reproducir este video? No me deja. Oye, what? Era el verdadero Inception, weón. Iba a entrar acá y después me iba a parar, iba a salir por la puerta y venía atrás mío. Y era yo mismo grabándome.
Mano, te estás hackeando.
I think it's over here.
Hijo de su puta.
Para quedarme.
¿Cómo fue tu juego?
El Stream Simulator. It's so real.
Oh. O tal vez porque estás streaming.
También. Pero I get hacked. I get hacked.
Oh.
And I have a browser in a o sea, I have a PC in the game, and this PC I have a browser and I can search my key, and I saw my stream in the game in main while I'm stream.
No way, really?
This is like Inception.
That's kind of cool. I don't understand. Is it just him?
No,
What did
pero
he-
no es
what did he-
Gente, si busco contenido para adultos, ¿saldrá? Uy, me están
What?
escuchando, lo siento.
Do you want me to translate what Daarick said?
Yeah.
No.
What do you say? What the hell? That's not fair.
Oh, yeah, stop.
You asked me.
Listo, Cherry. Listo.
What do you say?
No!
¿Qué dijo?
Dijo that he was gonna search for how do you say that?
Cat
Adult things.
cat videos.
Oh no, I knew it. There was ouch.
Gané.
Ganaste.